Here is how to stop Facebook birthday alerts. So first of all, open up your Facebook app and go to main menu. If you use iPhone iOS devices, tap on three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you use Android devices, tap on three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Next steps are the same for Androids and for iOS. So next, scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then proceed to Settings. Once you're here, scroll down. Under Audience and Visibility, proceed to Profile Details. Once you're here, scroll down and you will see your birthday. Next to birthday, tap on pencil icon over here. And now, next to your birthday, tap on over here and select Only Me. This means only you can see when your birthday on Facebook, and then tap on Save at the top right corner of the screen.